Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can view shared media of a certain chat on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then, tap on message icon. Next, select the chat which you want to view shared media. Next, tap on the chat. After that, tap on profile icon. Next, you can see the option of shared media, and below it you can view medias. So this is how you can view shared media of a certain chat on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.